okay? Please say yes. Okay. So, are you listening to me, Mom?
Yes, I'm listening to you. What?
All right. Well, here's the thing. Now that we have like a real trampoline and even 2 new like real trampolines, would you be okay if like me and some of my sisters and maybe Amanda, our new friend, have a sleepover on the trampolines?
Yeah, sure. That doesn't sound too bad. As long as you guys stay quiet outside, because you don't want to keep the neighbors up.
So that's a yes? Yeah! Woo! Party! Okay, alright, I don't know what to do first.
All right, well, first, Pumpkin, you need to call Amanda and see if she can even come do the sleepover. And then you need to see if your sisters want to do it, and then start gathering everything for the sleepover.
Okay, I'll go call Amanda right now. Woo! Hey, Amanda, it's Pumpkin. I was wondering to see if you wanted to have a sleepover at our house. It'll be in our backyard on the trampoline. It'll be super fun. Really? Okay, sounds good. Bring your PJs and a pillow and a blanket and your stuffed animal and a bottle and anything else you might want. Okay, see you in a little bit. Bye. I'm so excited! Hey, what are you excited about, Pumpkin? Mom said we could have a sleepover on the trampoline. You want to do that? Oh, that sounds fun. Okay, who else is gonna come? Well, I just invited Amanda. She said she would be over here. So, yeah, whoever else wants to come, you're the first sister that knows about it. So spread the word. Okay, you got it. All right, Pumpkin, I spreaded the word. We're all ready to have a huge party now. Yeah, we're still waiting for Amanda. I'm here! I'm right here. I'm ready to party. Where's the party at? Oh, hey, Amanda. Okay, well, let's start gathering everything we'll need. Oh, okay. What will we need, Pumpkin? We will need blankets, pillows, stuffed animals, anything you guys want. Okay, we're on it. Alright guys, this is it. This is where we will be having our sleepover on this trampoline. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, it is pretty cool. Hey Pumpkin, we should see if Mom and Dad have some fireworks left from the 4th of July. Hey, that's a good idea. They gave us this light up ball, this beach ball. We should light it up and see if it really lights up. Okay, Pumpkin, while you're blowing that up, I'm gonna go see if there's more fireworks from Mom and Dad. Okay, get their permission and have them come light the fireworks, because they're dangerous. Okay, I will. I got it to work. It's so cool, and it's lighting up so much. Hey guys, so Mom and Dad said they have more fireworks. You guys want to go watch some of them go off? Yeah, that sounds so fun. That sounds like a party never stops. Let's do it. Okay. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay. so cool. Wow. Hey puppies, do you want a sparkler? Come here. Come here, I know you want a sparkler. Come here, I'll share. You know you want it. You know you want it. Oh man, those fireworks were so cool. I can second that. That was super awesome. I'm starting to get tired now, guys. Hey, I actually am too. Can I sit next to you, Audrey? Yeah, sure, whatever. Oh, okay, thank you. Alright, everyone, it's time to go to sleep. Good night, everyone. Good night. I hope you sleep tight. Good night. Oh, good night.